What happens when an objection is overruled in mock trial? Have you ever wondered what really goes down when an objection is overruled in a mock trial? This moment can be a game changer in the courtroom, especially for law students honing their skills. When an attorney raises an objection, they are formally challenging something, like a question or evidence. The judge then decides whether to sustain or overrule that objection. If the judge sustains the objection, they agree with the attorney and the evidence or question is not allowed. But what happens when the judge overrules it? In that case, the judge disagrees with the objection. This means the witness must answer the question or the evidence gets admitted into the trial. So, what are the consequences of an overruled objection? First, the witness is required to answer the question that was objected to. This can lead to revealing information that could either help or hurt a case. For example, if the opposing counsel is asking a tricky question, the witness's answer could sway the jury's opinion. Next, if the objection was about admitting evidence, that evidence is now part of the record. This can significantly impact the trial, as it may support or undermine a key argument. Imagine a scenario where a piece of evidence could change the entire direction of the case. Another important point is that in mock trials, teams usually do not face penalties for having their objections overruled. However, making timely and appropriate objections can earn points. This shows a solid grasp of the rules of evidence and procedure, which is essential for law school students. Overruled objections can also lead to strategic shifts. If an objection is overruled, the opposing counsel may gain an advantage by obtaining the information they were after. Conversely, this can give the objecting team a chance to adjust their strategy based on what they now know. Participating in mock trials is a vital part of law school life. It helps students develop critical skills, such as understanding the rules of evidence and formulating effective objections. When an objection is overruled, students learn to think quickly and adapt their legal strategies. This experience is invaluable for preparing them for real-world legal scenarios, where they must respond effectively to judicial decisions. In summary, when an objection is overruled in a mock trial, it opens the door for the witness to answer and for evidence to be admitted. This can change the dynamics of the case and offers a learning opportunity for law students.